Good morning, YouTube. Today we're going to install a Valvetronic titanium exhaust in our Ferrari 458.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan, and that's Josh, and Steven, and Fred. Got the whole crew here. And we're going to attempt to do the Valvetronic exhaust on this Ferrari 458. So they already got started. You know, this is the Turdalia, and well, it's living up to its reputation right now. There is some serious Home Depot hardware.
A smorgasbord of screws holding it all together.
A smorgasbord of screws, yes.
Show them the thing.
Yeah, this is
It's just from the bottom tray.
that. Most of those aren't Ferrari. Oh, look, there's Phillips.
Yeah, there's plenty of Phillips. On the plus side, the transmission does look brand new. Look at all those shiny bolts on the transmission.
Oh wow. Well, I mean, it was replaced, right?
Yeah,
So-
it's got a new transmission in it.
Oh, you got the one out. How'd you get the one out?
I started with a needle nose and then I was able to get the socket on it. But look, they used wood screws
Wood screws.
to hold the two main diffuser bolts. Went right through this.
Oh my God. Please tell me it doesn't have a block of wood.
They had wood screws right through here.
You're kidding me. Well, so we're throwing away this diffuser because it is. I'll tell you what. Anyone wants that? Come get it.
We have a pretty sweet
We'll give you the
carbon
wood
fiber
screws
one
too.
Yeah.
right there. that we're
Yeah,
gonna
we
run.
got a new carbon fiber diffuser from Exotic Car Gear.
We also have the rear fog trims that everybody should probably replace.
Yes,
because
so
they crack.
all of these crack like right here.
Yep.
So it's only a matter of time.
gonna look sweet.
This is one of those 458-isms, just like the 430 has the headers crack. All of these crack. Unless you have, if you have the carbon fiber ones from the factory, they don't crack.
Yeah.
But the composite ones do crack.
And this thing has OBX Racing Series exhaust.
Look at
Racing
this
Sports exhaust.
Janky exhaust.
Yeah.
What in the
It
world?
has this pipe at the bottom that only goes to the center. It goes all the way across and through the center.
Dude, this is some janky looking exhaust right here.
Yeah.
Well, it goes bye-bye, thankfully.
Who wants to buy OBX exhaust?
Right, we'll have this,
We'll have this
for
used
sale if you...
excellent quality,
Tell you what,
polished stainless.
we'll give it away for $100 plus shipping.
Look, it'll still get you all the chicks.
Lies. Don't listen to him. By the way, if you want to buy the Valvetronic exhaust or any of the carbon fiber parts, go check out our
at this
website,
beautiful
normalguyssupercar.com.
Valvetronic hooked us up.
Yeah,
sent
look at
us
this.
this titanium.
This is the first one.
It's so light. It's awesome.
Yeah, and check this out. They even have cat deletes with the Inconel heat shielding on them. Those look incredible.
Yeah.
And headers. So we're going to do the full exhaust. This car is going to sound incredible.
gonna
Oh, I
scream.
just realized we didn't do it before.
What?
Well, you know what? When we
No, we're
lower
gonna
it
drop
down, we'll
can-
have to
yeah.
fire it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to sound completely different. We're going to have to get this bottom tray off, and I'm sure we're going to see some other fun things that we didn't expect because it's the Turdalia.
It actually doesn't look too bad. I say that a lot. Everybody
Yeah.
bitches at me, but it doesn't look too bad under here. I don't see any fluids leaking or anything.
No, I think mechanically it's reasonably okay.
Yeah.
Oh, we're also, as long as we got it up, going to do an oil change.
Yeah. We don't know when the last oil change was done.
Yeah. All right, YouTube, we're going to get a cold start of the shipbox exhaust.
Ready?
Yep. Boring. Okay. We don't want to run it too long because, well, we don't want to burn the shit out of ourselves. Yeah, it's pretty much just sounds like factory. It really doesn't sound exciting at all.
Even when you're getting on it, it doesn't sound
No, nothing.
anything. It's not much different. I don't know why you'd buy that bullshit.
By the way, we used the little ramps right there when we were setting it down. Oh yeah.
Take the,
Oh, you do have to pull off those top panels and stuff to do the. You might want to do those.
do the oil.
No, to do the cats. You have to
Should we
unbolt
take
it.
them off now?
You might as well.
Okay.
Might as well lower it down. Yeah, so these panels have to come. Well, yeah. I mean, it's easier to do it with the panels out. Since we have the 2-post lift,
I'm gonna put
we
some
put the little little ramps right there. When we lower it down, then the arms will fall down, and then you could get the tray out of the way. It made it a lot easier dealing with the bottom tray. So we're gonna have to pop off these panels, get the cats unbolted up here. We have to do the wheels and the fender liners and all that stuff, and you actually go in this way to get to the headers for a lot of the bolts. And then we're actually gonna have to remove the bumper, of course. Just wanted to take a closer look at this titanium exhaust. Yeah, this is gonna sound really good. It's pretty cool exhaust. So it's got valves, so when we want it loud, it will be open and basically just flow through like an X pipe, and then when they're closed, it will go through the mufflers and come out. So obviously be substantially quieter. Cat deletes and these headers. By the way, this whole exhaust configuration is way more reasonable and cheaper than you would expect. So go check it out on our website, normalguysupercar.com. There's a link in the description below.
Hey, where's Josh?
He's over there on the phone.
Oh, is he talking to Dr. S? Is he a real doctor?
Is he a real doctor? Okay, YouTube, so there are 13mm bolts that we removed here and there, and we did that on the other side. So trying to get as much as we can of the cats done before we go up, because those have to come off. Think that's about it that we do from up
You've
here.
done this a few times.
I know. I'm trying to remember what all you have to do from up top. Where's the overflow tank? Oh, good. We can replace that too.
We have to do this.
We got an overflow tank.
Did you show them the old one?
No, look at this thing. This overflow tank is completely cracked. Those things are known to fail. They crack and then it splits open. So
Porsche style.
yeah.
The 996s had a problem with that.
Oh, look at that. That's brand spanking new.
Freshy fresh.
Yeah, be careful pulling off the wheels. Doink. So we're gonna have to pull off the wheel houses so that we can get in there and get to the headers. And actually, I think a lot of the stuff comes out this way. Oh, look at more non-standard. Wow, look at this non-standard hardware. They just threw a random washer in there. I think they're 12 or 13. I can't remember. They changed them. We gotta get. Okay, so the headers are coming out, so we gotta take this off. That's 7/8. Oh, that's kind of toasty. This is a 13. What is that one?
13. This is
13. Okay, they're 13. Yeah, I think the 430 they're 12s. So here comes the fun part. Oh, that didn't come too bad. Okay, YouTube. So we knew that this bumper had been repainted, but we didn't know just how bad it was. So I just want to show you some signs of, hey, maybe this car has been repainted. So first of all, there's some cracks right here, and you can see they've kind of been filled in, and not really filled in with like Bondo or anything like that. No, just like paint. You can feel the clear coming over the cracks. So I'm assuming this thing probably got hit. But then you look up here and they literally painted right over the license plate lights. I mean, like you can see it's black there and just all red everywhere else. Like, what were they thinking? And then there's stalactites. Okay, I gotta show. Hold on. Look at this side of the bumper. Okay, there's one of the parts is missing for the mounting hardware. Those two are still intact, but then over here, 0 of the mounting hardware is intact. So this bumper is in, let's just say, less than good condition. So it's been, yeah. I'm willing to bet this bumper has been whacked before, but this seems to be in good shape. Whoa, stalactites
from the
exhaust.
Yeah. So this hasn't been pushed in at all, so I think it hasn't. It
Yeah.
probably got tapped in the rear, not hit hard.
Yeah. Well, it probably cracked it.
Yeah. Oh, there's a little dent right there. So.
Oh yeah, it did. Oh, it got hit.
It could be new foam too.
Yeah.
This thing's been hit. So everything in this car is, I'm not even gonna say half-assed, it's like 1/4 ass. So there's, a bar that goes here. There was 2 of the 4 bolts missing. And what is this? That
There's a plate because it didn't line up with the bolt, the
It's
mounting
just
bolt.
kinda
they
hanging out?
Yeah, just look at it.
Oh my God. What?
And there was nothing on the other side.
Yeah, this one was just hanging. Just chilling, doing nothing. What in the hell? I'm not even gonna be mad. I just wanna know who did the work on this. I wanna invite you to come here. To come hang out so we can help you get better. Cause this is just sad. And I'm not even that good. I'm not even gonna say I'm good. I'm just saying this is bad. We're amateurs. Yeah, we're the lowest common denominator, but this is just terrible. Wow, you're already
I
up.
had to take the heat shields on. I left them in.
Okay. Well, good on you, Josh. That was quick.
They both came out super easy.
Nice.
They were just no drama on that.
All right, YouTube. All of the exhaust is out, and we started installing the new Valvetronic exhaust. Ooh, that looks a lot nicer. I wanted to show you something that they do that's pretty cool, which is they have this little piece that connects the cat pipes to their exhaust section, and that's actually really cool because these ball flanges are really nice to work with, and then you have a slip fit so you can still adjust it in and out a little bit. So I feel like you get the best of both worlds with that setup. It's going to make it a lot easier to install this thing. So it'll be able to see a slip fit on this piece right here, and then you got the ball connection here. So that should make this installation, well, hopefully easier than most exhausts. But we've only been working on this for a few hours and we already have the whole exhaust out, so that's a good sign. Granted, there's 3 of us working on it. All right, YouTube, we're calling it the day. Got one set of the Valvetronic headers in, and they are looking very, very, very nice. We also got the oil changed, so that's good. We'll get the other ones in tomorrow morning, so stay tuned.
The next day.
Hey, YouTube, it's the next day.
We're cranking.
There's Josh.
I got the cat in.
Look at that. Well, the lack of cat.
The lack of cat.
Ooh, shiny things. Shiny loud things.
Can't wait to hear it.
Dude, I am excited to hear this thing. I can't wait. Oh yeah. Getting closer. Did you already mount the mounts on the other side? Oh.
No.
Don't tighten it all the way.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you need some flexibility. Well,
You mean the cat to the
yeah,
headers?
that.
I mean,
Well, it's easy
the
to
problem is
I know, it's...
I had to take the bolt out to get it around
Yeah, it's a
because
bitch.
it's a little thicker than the factory one.
No, it's a bitch.
So loosening it's not an option.
Yeah.
Everything's fitting pretty well for the most part, though.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
Those secondary air injection.
Yeah, on the driver's side, they were kind of hard to do. You have to take the pipe out
Yeah.
all the way. But other than that, everything fit fine. And I had one stud strip out of the engine block.
Oh no.
Like when you start tightening the nut, it just pulls it out. So I got to get some JB Weld and put on the threads, stick it in there, and then put the nut on.
Oh, yeah, there's always something.
Yeah. Other than that, it's been going okay. Wiring nightmare continues.
Yeah, this thing never seems to stop surprising us with horrible wiring and stuff. So the valve controllers were just kind of zip tied up there, and there was an aftermarket valve controller, but it was literally disconnected to anything. So it was valve controlling nothing, I guess. Well, it had a vacuum cap on it, so that's good, I suppose. Anyway, so we have our feed line. What we're gonna have to do is reuse one of the factory ones because the Valvetronic controller actually came with this little wiring harness that we can splice in, and then you got this big old button that I swear to God, if you threw this at someone, it'd really hurt. It's pretty hefty.
It's like a BMW key fob.
Yeah, that thing's got some mass.
And some more cool
Oh, yeah.
wiring for I think a radar detector or something.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm gonna pull out of it.
Definitely some aftermarket wiring here. Not sure exactly where it's going, what it's doing. Same with this. This was just hanging out, chilling. So we're gonna get rid of all that extra crap. The downside is we can't get rid of this, even though it's not gonna be used, because it needs to be plugged in. Otherwise, the computers will freak out. So, but we are just gonna get rid of all the hoses and crap, and then zip tie it up out of the way. Yeah. Fun stuff here. Oh yeah, titanium exhaust is in. Just gotta clamp it down. Man, by the way, again, if you didn't remember, go to our website, normalguysupercar.com. You can buy the Valvetronic exhaust. Link in the description below. Well, just sold the Shelby. Just in time to hear gloriousness.
I don't think so.
Loud. Holy
That was
crap.
pretty awesome.
That is crazy. That is crazy loud.
I don't know what to think about that. That's really loud. We'll have to figure out what's going on with that.
I don't know if it's wiring or... Damn.
Pretty crazy. I can smell of new exhaust.
Oops. Yeah, it's still got to burn in and everything. Well, sounds nuts. These nuts.
Mm-hmm.
So I got a little smoke coming off the cats burning in and stuff.
Yep.
Sweet.
Well,
Holy
I
crap.
gotta fix the bumper now, and then we can drive it.
Yeah.
I bet it's gonna be ridiculous.
Dude, that's gonna sound crazy. I can't wait to hear it.